In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mind maps in drawio. By the end, you'll be comfortable starting a mind map from a ready-made template and expanding it with connected topics and subtopics all inside your browser. First, open draw.io. If you're prompted to choose a storage location, pick the option that fits your workflow and create a new blank diagram. You'll land on a clean canvas with a toolbar at the top and a shapes panel on the left. That's where we'll spend most of our time. To get a quick head start, go to the top menu and click Arrange. From there, choose Insert, then select Template. This opens the template library, a great place to find professionally designed starting points. Using a template helps you skip the heavy lifting of layout so you can focus on your ideas. Inside the template library, look to the categories on the left and select Maps. This filters the gallery to mind maps and similar structures. Browse the options, pick a mind map style you like, and click Insert. The template drops onto your canvas already organized with a central theme and branches, giving you an instant framework you can adapt to your topic. You can reposition and resize elements as needed to fit your content. If you prefer to build or expand your map piece by piece, use the Shapes search. In the left panel, open the Search Shapes field and type Mind Map. This reveals a dedicated set of mind map elements designed to work together. It's perfect for adding more branches to a template or starting entirely from scratch. Next, drag the central topic shape from the results onto your canvas. This serves as your main idea. Position it with some space around it so there's room to grow. Now, hover your mouse over that shape. You'll see small blue arrows appear around the edges. Click and drag one of those arrows outward to automatically create a connected topic or subtopic. When you release, draw.io places the new node and links it for you. Repeat this action from any node to branch out your map, building a clear hierarchy of ideas. You can drag nodes to rearrange them as your structure evolves. The connectors stay attached, keeping everything tidy. That's all you need to get started. Open draw.io, use Arrange, Insert, and Template to pick a map or search Mind Map to add shapes, then use the blue arrows to grow your ideas quickly. Pause and practice these steps, and your next brainstorming session will be faster and far more organized.